Here's how to spend an awesome 2 days in Chikkamagaluru. We'll start by catching a night bus from Bangalore, reach early morning, check into our homestay, and fresh up. Then it's time for the Bandage trek, and trust me, this one's epic. It's around 16 km in total, and you start inside a thick forest, shady, cool, birds sound all around. Then the trail slowly opens up in the massive grassland. Imagine rolling green hills, fog drifting across, and nothing but open sky ever view. And just you think it can't get better, boom, you reach the Bandage waterfall. Dropping right from there, the view is absolutely insane. A huge waterfall dropping right from the cliffs, surrounded by mist. The whole trek is challenging, yeah, but every step is totally worth it. Totally worth for the forest trails, wide open grassland views. Day 2. We wake up early and head to Kudige waterfall. Great spot to relax, splash water around, and just enjoy the calm. A very relaxing, very calming. After that, we'll stop by beautiful tea estate, perfect for picture and those classic green valley views. Spend some time, click a lot of picture, and trust me, you won't regret. Before heading back to Bangalore, we'll visit Bellur Channakeshwar temple, famous for its mind-blowing carvings and rich history. That's it. 2 days packed